get a lot done on the van build, but last night I got the roof rack up. It's not painted, but I tried it on and it looks pretty good. Now that I've got that up, now I'm working on designing the ladder for this. And let me show you what I'm doing for that. So first of all, there is the rack. See on top of the van there. Pretty satisfied with it. It's going to be painted black. What I'm doing now, like I said, is fitting the ladder. So I'm trying to do something real custom. So here is a cardboard cutout of one of the rails of the ladder. Obviously there'll be two of them. Well, it's getting dark in Salt Lake. It's Friday night, and I've been working on this project for about a week of the rack, and I'm finally finished. Stoked to show you guys. Tomorrow I'll put on the solar panels, and then after I put on the solar panels, I'll wire up the electrical, put in the heat, put in the walls, put in the lighting, put in the cabinets, and so on and so forth. So let me show you what I did. All right, there it is. There's my rack. Pretty freaking stoked about it. My favorite part's the ladder, which you guys saw me build. I didn't film painting it yesterday. I used automotive paint, so it should last a really long time. Went through this whole process of treating the aluminum to make it bond. Took me all day to paint this yesterday. And then I installed it today between rainstorms. So there it is. A sweet ladder. I am seriously stoked about it. Oh, and then also, I didn't mention these 3 blocks here for the awning. So I'll also be installing an awning here pretty soon. On top of the rack. Let me take you up and show you the top. All right, so that's the top. So you see, I got the storage area there. It's about 4 feet by 5 feet. And then that second area, right in there, there'll be 3 solar panels, and then one there and one there. And there'll be 500 watts total, enough to power a home. So I'm pretty stoked. There it is. Thanks for watching. Later.